Hello, in this video I'll demonstrate on how to put the slug together for the two-tone slug. Just like the single color, it's pretty much the same process, but you have to just be careful and be aware that for the two-tone you have to do it in sequence and do it in order, whichever way you prefer, so you do not mix up and maybe work on one side or one slug too much, because if you do, then you're gonna get these segments out of order, because these segments have different sizes. So if you get them out of order because the slight size differences, it will not articulate and it's just not gonna work correctly. So I'll show you how to do it, and just like the first single color, each one takes about 5 minutes, so we're doubling it, so it should take no more than 10 minutes to assemble these two pieces together. So let's start. I do not have nails, and to peel this brim, they call this the brim to help it hold down when it's printing. To peel it away to have the bottom as clean as possible, you just can use your fingernails and peel it away. Since I don't have nails, I use this, but I don't think I'll be using it, so I'll just set it aside. I have this, and the reason why I have this is it's important to get it in order. So I'm gonna use this as a marker to indicate what slug I'll be working on. So after I'm done, I'll just move these around just to keep myself aware of what order I'm working on. In case maybe I'm interrupted or some sort, I can leave off where I'm at by using the marker as a reference. So let's start. And we're gonna alternate, of course, since these are two-tone color. I'll just peel the black one first, then peel the white one. And you see this one has a little brim, and we can just trim it like this. But for the remainder of the video, I'm just gonna trim it after I put everything together to keep the video short and I don't bore you to death. So let's start. Okay, I'm gonna work on this slug now. So of course black, the next one would be white. So I'm gonna take the white from here, put that together, and just like the first video, what you want to do is you see the slot in the middle here, and there's a round kind of ball joint, and you want to tuck in one side of the ball joint in first, and of course you're lining up the bottom with the bottom, tuck in one side, and then you want to push in, and there it is. It kind of, you can feel and hear the kind of clicking in process. I'm done with that. I'm gonna move the marker here. Of course, the next color would be black. I'll get it from this side. Done. And now the next one will be black. You notice that you gotta keep it in order because I've already touched this one, so I'm going back to this black one to put in the next segment. I'm not alternating between here, I'm alternating between the slugs here. So just keep that in mind, it's important. So I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the whole thing. I'm gonna fast forward the video, but you'll see the steps, and once I'm done, I'll slow down the video to normal speed and show you the results. Okay, and here is the last piece. And we are done. And that is the complete assembly of these things. Now you can go ahead and remove any excess brim. Like for instance, this one here has a little bit left. I mean, this one helps it articulate better. So You can see at the bottom here. There we go. So you do that for anything that you want to clean up, and then to articulate it much more smoothly, just play with it often, and the more you turn it and twist it, the better it's gonna wear out the internal whatever roughness it has to make it more smoother, and it'll turn much more or flex much more smoothly. And that concludes the assembly demonstration. Thank you.